Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, this video is in reference to roaches. I've been getting some comments where some viewers have been saying that they don't have bed bugs, but they have issues with roaches and they have issues with mice. Now, I do have a video already that I've created about rodents and how Diatomaceous Earth can run rodents away. It doesn't kill them, but it will run them away. And I have a video for that. You can look through the playlist and you'll find that video. Excuse me. Now, I do have a few videos where I speak about Diatomaceous Earth not being only good for bed bugs, it's good for other type of bugs like ants, roaches, centipedes, and silverfish, things of that nature, ticks, fleas. But I have had a couple of comments about roaches, and I wanted to come and just create a video just for that, because I have so many videos and I don't have any of them with the title of roaches. I think I have bugs. But anyway, Diatomaceous Earth does kill roaches as well. You can put the powder down, and you can put it down just like you put it down for bed bugs. Only difference is you don't put it in your bed. You don't put it on around the frames of in the crevices of your bed. You put the powder wherever you see roaches, wherever you know them to be, like wherever in your kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room, dining room, wherever you may see them, you put the powder down. Now, the powder cannot get wet. If the powder gets wet, it's not effective. It's not going to do anything. So it has to be dry at all times in order to work. Also, there are particular places that roaches hide. I mean, you might see them walking and running around all over the place, but there are certain places that they do nest, and they live in the walls a lot. Mostly they live inside the walls, so they'll always come from out the walls. You might not see them coming out, but trust me, that's where they live in the walls and they travel through the walls. Also, behind your refrigerator, it's kind of damp and moist behind your refrigerator where the motor part is. For some reason, it's a little damp back there. And that's the kind of stuff they like. It's secluded. It's never touched. Nobody never go back there. It has heat if needed. It has moisture if needed. And that's just one of the places where they will definitely nest. So even if you go back there and they're not nesting there, put some diatomaceous back there anyway. Another place is your deep freezer. Same thing as a refrigerator. It's a little damp. It's a little moist. It's a little heated. It's what they need to survive, because for some reason they love to nest behind right up in that back part of the refrigerator and right in that back part of the deep freezer and inside the walls. So even if you don't see nests or anything there, or you don't see roach, but you'll know for nests back there because there's going to be a ton of them and they'll come running out. But if not, still put the diatomaceous behind your refrigerator, up in the part where, if you could put some up in it, if it's an opening, which more than likely it is. But if it's not, just line the refrigerator in the back of your refrigerator with Diatomaceous Earth. Do the same thing for the deep freezer and wherever else that you can put it where roaches, where they travel. Because once it gets on them, it's going to work its way into drying them out and it's going to kill them. So that's what I came to speak on. I hope that was enough information for you. You can always leave a comment down in the comment section, if you need a little more, or if that didn't, if for some reason this video did not answer your question. I also have videos on how to put down the Diatomaceous Earth. I also have a video of a duster, a new duster I bought, and here's the duster here. This applies Diatomaceous Earth very well. This is one of my newest tools that I purchased, and it applies the powder very well. But I have a video speaking specifically about the duster. And like I said, if you have any other questions, just put it down in the comment section. So I'll see you guys on the next video.